Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your card declined issue in your PayPal account. So make sure to watch the video till the end and you will be able to know like why your card is being declined or why are you facing this issue and how you can solve it. So here are like the as you can read like paypal.com/us, like this is basically their official help center and they have added an article like why was my payment declined. So as you can read, like my payment, like your payment was declined by your bank or card issuer. Like this is the first issue that can be made like by your bank or card issuer. The second one is your card details are outdated. Like either your card is expired or you just entered the wrong details. This can be an issue for your card like error or the payment error. Your PayPal account is limited as this issue can be faced like if you have not updated the information of your address or something like this in your PayPal account. So you can face this issue and you need to go through a security check. Like this is important or security step added by the PayPal. So make sure to follow this one as well. You haven't confirmed the email address associated with PayPal. So make sure that you have verified your email address and also add your two-factor to the PayPal accounts for better security, and once verified your issue will be solved. And if not, like you haven't confirmed your bank account, like it is important that you must attach your bank account with the PayPal so you can solve your problem. And you may be required to confirm your card as well. Like there is an option to confirm your card with the PayPal once attached, so make sure to confirm your card as well. So these are some steps or these are some issues they have been highlighted by the PayPal official and you must solve all these problems. And let's say that none of them is working for you, so what you can do is just contact their help center or like their help section. Just go to Google and search your PayPal help center, and once you search it you can just also find this option in the PayPal app in your mobile phone. So just go through that step. And if you're on laptop you can just go to help center, make sure to log in with your account, and once logged in you can just contact them through message center. Just click on message center, log in with your account, write down your problem and just tell them the issue that you are facing this issue. I have tried all the solutions that you mentioned in your article and still you're facing this issue. So hopefully after like 24 to 48 hours one of the team members will contact you and solve your problem.